Hello, pups. Oh, look at that cute harness. Hello, pups. Where you guys going? Huh? Where you guys going? Oh, yes, boy. I mean, girl. It's a girl. Hello. Hello. And you just so cute. And you just so cute. Look at that little tail. Yes. Hey, what's up, my Polaris adventure buddies? Hope everybody is doing well. What I thought I'd do today is a little introductory video. I don't think I've done that, and I just realized the other day, there's going to be a lot of people that don't know who I am and like what I do and what I'm about. So this video is basically not going to be like kitesurfing and diving and everything that's there. It's just basically, hey guys, this is me, this is who I am. So you guys kind of know who's behind the camera and what I'm all about and where I come from, and a little bit of information about me, which I think is quite important. So let's get started, guys. My name is Matthew. I come from Joburg. You can call me Matt. I prefer to be called Matt. I come from Johannesburg, South Africa. Josie. I was born and raised there. I spent most of my life there. My schooling there. I went to King Edward VII School, went to Cares. Matriculated in 2013. To all the Cares boys, peace out, love you guys. And yeah, basically worked as a junior draftsman for a little bit. As I got out of school, I then went on to my family, ran a family business, started from the bottom and learned everything I could about the business in my younger days, and eventually worked my way up to running that company and business with my aunt, and becoming a director of that company for a couple years. And what I specialize in is marketing. So marketing is my forte. It's what I've studied. I studied marketing through the University of Cape Town. I've done marketing studies and courses with marketing agencies, digital agencies, all that stuff. And I've had good marketing mentors within our company and business. The business that we were running was basically a franchise, and we have franchises all over South Africa and one in the United States. So I basically honed in on my marketing skills, and I generally do enjoy marketing. I just don't enjoy sitting behind an office desk. An office desk and a computer screen I can do for a small period of time, not every day 9 to 5. It is not who I am, and that was part of a big decision why I left and chose to pursue this path that I'm on now, which we'll get into a little bit later. But yeah, that's just want to climb up this dunya. That's some interesting stuff about me, and some other interesting things like hobbies. I am so when I was younger, I've got my best friends that I grew up with, Rick and Rocks. Like we can kind of always pushed each other or psyched each other out to try new things. And the first thing I got into out of school, or I think still during school, was mountain biking. And then I got into downhill mountain biking. And then from the downhill mountain biking, sorry, I don't know what was behind me there. From the downhill mountain biking, we went on to doing whitewater kayaking. Like Rick went on to skydiving licenses. We went on to scuba diving. Started scuba diving about 10 years ago, and just escalated from there, I guess. Love our free diving as well, and our spearfishing. So those are like my hobbies that I really love. And then obviously one of the main things which you'll see a lot of with the diving and stuff is my kite surfing. Like that is I would say our newest hobby that we've picked up. And I just love kite surfing. I can go on about kite surfing forever. I probably will make a separate episode just about kite surfing. But as you will see, there will be a lot of that within the videos and stuff. But yeah, basically guys, that's a bit of a background on me. Those are the hobbies, those are the things I enjoy doing. I have my dive masters now. I qualified with my dive masters last year. I thought it's time to go for it after all the years diving. I had raked up enough dives and experience. So I went and did my rescue last year, got my dive masters, and I think Rick and Rox also got their dive masters as well. So I mean, pretty much sorted on that avenue and things. And I just love the scuba diving. I love being in the ocean. I can't think of anything better, to be honest. Some other crazy interesting facts about me, maybe very high energy, but I have an extreme focus. So like if I needed to flip the switch and be focused, like I flip the switch and I'll be focused and I get done like with whatever task is in front of me. And then also like super high energy moments where I'm just like I need to go kitesurf, I need to go run. I love staying active and fit, and it helps keep me focused as well. So I try every day, go for runs, I do a bit of gym, big into my fitness. I've done Ironman events, I've done the full Ironman in PE, I've done the half Ironman in Mossel Bay, and I've done lots of other smaller triathlons and warrior races and events and stuff like that. I'm really big into my fitness. I've done CrossFit for some years now. You know it. Now you know that I'm a CrossFitter because I said it. Yeah, so that's some interesting facts about me. Some other interesting facts is hobbies. Like I'm really big into Pokemon. I collect Pokemon and I invest in Pokemon. And to give you a background story of this, is obviously it's very nostalgic for me. It's something I did as a kid, but I paid for my house's down payment with Pokemon cards that I had. So that just kind of gives you an idea of what I mean by when I say I'm into Pokemon cards. I sold basically my base sets and some other odds and ends, and I managed to put down the down payment for my house, mine and B's house, which is quite an incredible thing. I was thinking of starting a Pokemon channel, but it's not really the direction I want to go. I'll kind of do that on the side. If anybody has any questions regarding my Pokemon or want to see my collection, I will do an episode regarding that, a separate episode. If you want to ask me questions about it, you're more than welcome to pop me a message. I'll get down to them in the bottom. And yeah, guys, one other thing I wanted to say is, like, guys, if we're going to get into a bit more of the journey, is like, if you're kind of interested in what I'm doing, what Dia and I are doing, and how we're looking at changing our lives, like, please will you like and subscribe to my channel and follow our journey. It helps having you guys there, and share our journey. Share it with people, friends, family, work colleagues, whoever, who you might think like, hey, check this out, this is cool, weren't you talking about something like this the other day? And it doesn't have to be like the sailing and the yachting that we're doing. Anybody that wants to pursue their dream and hasn't done it yet, like, send it to them, guys, please. I need more people like that on my channel, and I would like to talk to more people that are also going through like a similar phase that myself and B are going through right now. So yeah, follow, subscribe, like, thank you, all that stuff. And then the next thing is video editing, videography. I'm definitely a hobby I've been doing here and there. Like, if you go on my channel, you'll see I've had videos just playing around, cuts and stuff, for a couple of years. They're nothing great. I want to start taking it to the next level. I want to get better. I want to get better equipment, cameras, mics. But I first need to I like to have a system, and I'm working on a system right now. I'm really thinking about getting the next camera to get different angles, more angles and stuff. And then the main thing for me now is getting my sound down. If anybody can give me some tips on sound, that'll be great. I definitely need some assistance there. Like, I do have a good mic that I can use for voiceovers, but like, what do you guys suggest I do with my GoPro? Because right now I'm just using my GoPro's camera and sound. And it's not bad. I mean, it does the job, but I want to improve it. Sound is a very big part about getting like good quality videos out there. Check these little gulls everywhere. Sorry. Yeah, so if you can give me some tips there, if anybody has tips. I know Rox has helped me, and I still actually need to try what she said I need to do. She has a nice piece of equipment there that might work or should work very nicely. Yeah, guys, let me know. Like I said, drop it in the comment section. Yeah, that's the next thing with my videoing that I want to improve. So if you do, appreciate it. Drop a comment, and see you guys on the flippity, and hopefully I can like implement that. Cheers, guys. Thank you.